Talk to yourself with respect. What if I told you the most dangerous person in your life is not someone outside? It's the voice inside your own mind. That quiet voice that says, "You're not good enough. You're always messing things up. Nobody will ever understand you. You're lazy, stupid, behind. You'll never change." You hear that voice all day, but never stop to ask, would I talk to someone I love like this? Your mind becomes what it hears the most. So if you speak to yourself with hate, you will begin to believe that you are worthless. If you speak to yourself with fear, you will start living like a victim. But if you speak to yourself with kindness, your brain starts to heal. It starts to believe in peace. It starts to work with you, not against you. In an experiment, two identical plants were placed in two different rooms. One plant was exposed to daily kind words. You are beautiful. You're growing strong. You bring life to this space. The other plant was exposed to daily mean words. You're ugly. You're useless. You're dying. Guess what happened? The first plant grew tall, green, and healthy. The second plant shriveled and stopped growing. Now ask yourself, what are you saying to your own mind every day? Every morning and night, tell yourself these three things. Out loud. 1. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying. 2. I forgive myself for yesterday. 3. I deserve peace today. Repeat it every day. Because repetition is how the brain rewires itself. This is not silly. This is survival. You don't need another person to destroy your peace. You do it to yourself every time you speak with disrespect. If you want to relax your mind, you must first protect your heart from the sharp knives of your own voice. Treat yourself with the love you keep waiting for from others. Because your mind listens, and it believes everything you say.